Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I have 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan, the first generation, and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to Volkswagen Tiguans made from 2007 all the way up to 2015. To start, you'll want to lift the front hood, and your battery is located right here under this cover. Now to lift this cover, you'll want to push here and then lift up. Okay, just like that, and then you can remove it completely. Once you have access to the battery, you'll have two battery poles to disconnect, the positive one and the negative one. Now remember, when disconnecting the battery, always first disconnect the negative battery pole, then the positive one, and when you're installing the new battery, always first hook up the positive one and then the negative. So just the reverse order. But before you can start doing that, you'll have a battery safety holder, which is just down there. I hope you can see it. And it's a 13mm bolt. Okay, so what I did, I just turned the flash on my phone so you can see the battery. So just down there, you'll see a 13mm bolt, and you'll need a long extension to reach it and to unscrew it. Okay, this is how the battery holder looks once you have it removed. And once you have that off the way, there is nothing holding the battery. Now you can proceed to disconnect the battery poles. Okay, so like I mentioned before, always start with the negative battery pole. You don't have to unscrew this all the way, just enough so you can wiggle the wires of the battery terminals. Okay, once this is nice and loose, you can try to wiggle this wiring off. Sometimes this is just too tight, so what you want to do, you want to get like a flat screwdriver and just try to pry it underneath until you can actually get it off. If you still can't get it off, what you want to do, again, you want to get like a flat screwdriver, just pry it between here in the openings and just use your hammer or something to hit it on the top, and that will help you separate it. Yeah. Okay, once you remove this battery pole, then you want to move on to the positive side. Same thing goes here. Unscrew this. And just try to pry it out. If it doesn't go, you want to use your flat screwdriver. Just like that. And once you have removed both of the wires, now you can just safely leave the battery straight up, remove it, and install the new battery. And once you install the new battery, you always first want to install the positive battery pole and then the negative one. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.